Hi, my name is Wolfgang. In this video, I will show you how to use the open and new functions on modules and files. There are several ways to open a LibreOffice module. Open LibreOffice from the icon on the screen, and you will see the starting page. The side panel presents the 6 available modules. Click one to open it. Let's say you started working on your document in Writer and want to open Calc additionally. You cannot go back to the starting page without losing your work or having it saved. Instead, go to File and New in the main toolbar of Writer and select Calc from the list. This goes for any other module. If you want to change between the modules, click on Window in the main toolbar and select the module from the drop-down list. There are several ways to open files in LibreOffice. Click Open File on the starting page and select your file from the activated File Explorer window. If you are part of a network and your files are on a network server, use Remote Files. Select a file from the display of recent documents, click on it and it will open in the correct module. To open a file within a module, use File and Open in the main toolbar. This is my video about opening modules and files in LibreOffice. Please like it and subscribe to my channel if it is helpful to you. Any questions or suggestions are welcome and I will answer them promptly. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.